Today, let's learn how to subtract fractions that have the same denominator. Let's consider this question. What does 4/5 subtract 1/5 equal? First, 4/5 means that it has a value of 4 out of 5 equally divided parts. So it would be these parts of the diagram here. Next, 1/5 means it has a value of 1 out of 5 equally divided parts. So it would be this part of the diagram here. Finally, the answer to the question would be subtracting 1/5 from 4/5, so it would be these parts of the diagram here. And we see that we have 3/5. Therefore, 4/5 minus 1/5 equals 3/5. If the denominator of the fractions are the same, you just leave the denominator as is and just minus the numerators. Okay, let's do some practice. Press the pause button and why don't you solve these problems here? After you solve the problems, press the play button and check to see if your answers are correct. Okay, let's check our answers. For question 1, 4/8 minus 2/8 equals 2/8. For number 2, 6/7 minus 1/7 equals 5/7. For 3, 8/9 minus 3/9 equals 5/9. And for 4, 7/10 minus 5/10 equals 2/10. Were you able to get them all correct? All right, how about we do a quick review of what we learned? Let's solve this problem here. First, 5/6 means it has a value of 1 out of 6 equally divided parts. So it would be this part of the diagram here. One-sixth means that it has a value of 1 out of 6 equally divided parts. So it would be these parts of the diagram here. Finally, the answer to the question would be subtracting 1/6 from 5/6. So they would represent these parts of the diagram here. And we see that we have 4/6. Therefore, 5/6 minus 1/6 equals 4/6. This ends our lesson for today.